Welcome back to another Printing Center USA tutorial. Today we are going to properly upload our mailing list along with our project files to save some time when it comes to sending out orders. Let's start by getting our specifications set into the pricing tool, and once we reach Other Services, we will open the Address and Mail dropdown. If your quantity is under 200, your only option is first class stamp. Anything over 200 may qualify you for additional discounts with the post office. Now you have the option to order and upload files now or buy now and upload later. I will be ordering and uploading my files now. Here you will upload your mailing and project files. You can see it says mailing files should be Excel or CSV format. For best practices, upload both your project files and your mailing list files together. Once you're finished, click Upload 3 files, then I am done uploading, and add it to your cart. If you buy now and upload later, you will go to the My Orders section of your account and upload your files and your mailing list. So your mailing list should look like this. You can see each section has its own column. First name is separated from last name, is separated from business name, and so on. But I want to make sure to mention that the city, state, and zip code is not in the address line. We want to keep those in their own columns so that we can eliminate simple mistakes on your mailing list. And that's how you order for mailing with Printing Center USA. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Be sure to like and subscribe for more printing tips like this, and happy printing.
Get online, pick a design, print in no time.